Hello viewers, this is Miss Misty and welcome you in my channel. So in the previous series we have learnt about diamond carbon allotrope part 1. So this is the second series of carbon allotrope. So we are learning about graphite here, the second allotrope of carbon. So here you can see the structure of graphite, but let's talk about some of its properties first. Okay, so it is a grayish black substance. It is smooth and slippery to touch, and it has high melting point, and it is a good conductor of electricity and heat as well. It is used as anti-frictional substance. It is used as lubricants. Okay, so why it has these all properties, like good conductor of electricity? Why it is a good conductor of electricity? No, so let's start understanding the structure first. Okay, so you can see that here you can see at the hexagons connected to each other. Okay, here the blue lines are bonds, covalent bonds, and the orange dots are carbon here. Okay, so there is carbon carbon covalent bond between. Okay, so here you can see that if if I'm showing you that here is a carbon atom. Okay, carbon atom, what is making three bonds with another three carbon atoms here. Okay, but we all know that carbon can make four bonds. Carbon can make four bonds because it has atomic number 6. Okay, and there are 4 electrons in the outermost shell, so it can make 4 bonds. Okay, but we can see that there are 3 bonds here. Okay, 3 covalent bonds, so there must be an a free electron here between the layers. Okay, these free electrons are capable for, yes, these are capable to conduct electricity. Thus, because it has lots of free electron, it is a good conductor of, yes, it is a good conductor of electricity, and because of this only it is a good conductor of heat also. Okay, so now you will understand that it is a good conductor of electricity and heat. But why? Because of free electron between the layers. Okay, and here you can see that the structure shows you layered form of carbon bonds here, no? So as we can say that this is layer 1 and this is layer 2, and there's more there is difference, there is much distance between these layers. Okay, so because of this distance, but these are connected to each other because of what? Because of Van der Waals force, Van der Waals bond between the layers, but it is really weak. Because of this weak bond, these two layers can sleep on each other. Okay, because of this low force, because of this weak bond, the layer can slip upon each other. Thus it is a smooth and slippery to substance also. Because of this, it can the layers can slide over each other. So we are capable to write with pencils. You know, na, pencil leads are made with graphite, right? So pencils are made with graphites. Why? Because it is a slippery substance. Okay, the layers are not strongly bonded so that the layers can slide over each other. That is why it is an anti-frictional substance, it is a lubricant, it is slippery, it is smooth. Okay, and yes, there is another question, that why graphite has high melting point but lower than diamond. So I can show you that when we are talking about diamond and when we are talking about graphite, what is the difference between these two carbon bonds here? So you can see that if I have a central carbon here in diamond, it has 4 strong bonds with other carbons, 4 strong bonds. Okay, that makes it a, that gives it a high melting point. Okay, and because graphite has 3 strong carbon bonds and 1 free electron. So क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? Yes, because of less carbon bonds, it has high melting point because of the strong bonds between carbon. But क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक कार्बन बॉन्ड एक्स्ट्रा है, इसलिए it has high melting point comparing to graphite. Okay, that's all for this session, and we'll meet in the next session. Have a good day and keep subscribe and sharing to each other. Thank you.